Hey there, Snug as a Hug. I'm back. It's a few days later, and we have attached the flip-flops to the plastic. It worked.
Hi! This is sure gonna be a great movie.
Yay! So this video isn't going to be 101 things that went wrong. So yeah, there we go. Third time's a charm. The silicone, not so much. The spray adhesive, not so much. The Goop Max, that was the ticket. So, what I want to do now, I've decided, just to make sure this all stays in one piece, for sure, I'm going to use some of this clear Gorilla Tape. I mean, everybody kind of knows the whole Gorilla Glue thing, like we'll glue everything, but this is a new sticky tape. I didn't want to use duct tape because I don't think it's going to hold so well underwater all the time. So this one actually says it's pretty much weatherproof. So yeah, I want to wrap pretty much all the plastic. Just to make sure, somebody had kind of brought up a good point. We don't want this to shatter at all. It is a shatter resistant because it's actually made for windows, this stuff. But I mean, even if it breaks, I would just as soon it stay all in one piece. So that's what we're going to do. Before we get to that though, now that we are attached, I don't know if you can really see, but I want to take this little edge off here so we get a better corner here. And the same thing there. And then I think I might just smooth that little edge out a little bit too. So, got the Dremel back out, and we'll have a go at it. That's better. No sharp corner there anymore. And we'll just slap a little sanding drum back on that. Nice. Good. Just gonna clean up a little bit of this. Hold on. Okay, so just to be clear, it has been 3 days since we applied the goop to the plastic and the flip-flops. It's 72 hours for maximum bonding, so you can kind of see the dark spots is where it's like really, really well fused together. So yeah, we are going to take that as a win. And I'm going to take off all the protective plastic sheeting now, and I'm going to cover it in the Gorilla Tape. So yeah, let's have a go at that. So that is pretty clear. That is awesome. The other thing about this Gorilla Tape is it is clear. So when I put this on top of the clear, I mean, it's probably going to make it a little bit translucent as opposed to completely clear like a window. But then I'm also going to use clear silicone over top of everything. I think I want to put some glitter and stuff in there. So that's the other reason why I don't want to use regular duct tape, because I kind of want to be able to see what's going on with the tail and all the rest of it once it's all put together. So here goes nothing. What I want to start with is enough to put it in the center to secure the flip-flops and over and around. Yep. So I think I'm just going to do the top side horizontally, and then the back side I will do vertically. So I don't think we really need to overlap it a ton. And it actually recommends not overlapping for improved bond, so it's all good. Okay, I'm going to wait for my last strip because I'm going to do the other direction on the other side. And that way I can seal up the loose ends on the inside. I'm also going with the thought that the tape is going to help the silicone to stick when it comes time to put all the silicone in. Okay, that's a not bad start. We'll keep at that and we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.